So here's number 8. They give us this data and they want us to find the mean, median, and standard deviation. Well, let's just put it in the calculator. Let me remind you how that works though. So, so let's put it in the calculator. So how do we do that? So first off, put data down L1. So go ahead and put this data down L1 on your calculator. You guys know how to do that? We've done that for a long time now. So put that data. Let me, but I can show that too. Let's put that data down L1. So I'll show how that works just to remind you on that. Let me show you. Let's go there. Okay, there it is. There's my calculator. So I'm going to put that data down L1. So how do you do it? You hit stat. It's already on edit. You just hit enter. Now my L1 is already clear, but if yours is not, go up to the top, go up to L1, press clear and enter, and it'll clear out anything in L1. And then just put the data right down L1. So 7.5, I'm putting my data down there. Put down whatever data you have. Okay, so there's the data down L1. And then you just hit stat again. So here we go. I want you to see what I'm about to do. Now we just hit stat and go over to calculate. I'll write this out for you as well in a minute. Go over to calculate and one variable stats. It's already there. Just hit enter. And it's going to ask you for list. L1 is what you want. That's perfect. Frequency list, you've got to put in a 1. Whoops. I've got to clear that away. Mine's, I got to hit the, when that A is showing, see how that A is showing? You've got to hit, I don't know what you have to hit. You have to hit second? No. I guess you have to hit alpha. I hit alpha and that got rid of it. 1, you got to put a 1 there. So I had to hit alpha to get rid of that funny A that my cursor had. It was wanting to do alpha stuff, letters. So I had to hit the alpha button to get rid of that A. So if you hit alpha, it goes back to A, hit alpha again, it goes away. See how my cursor is changing from A to no A? You have to get it off of A, or it's only going to do letters. When I do the 1, it would have only done letters. Anyway, so list L1, frequency 1. Go down. Oops, I guess I did something wrong. Let me try it again. Stat, calc, 1 variable. List is L1. Oh, maybe, I leave frequency list blank, I think. I'm learning with you. Let me try that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, never mind. Don't put in 1 for frequency list. Just leave the frequency list blank. Sorry about the confusion. I'm remembering as well. So there we go. There's the data we need. It's asking us for X bar. On this question, they want the mean, which is 12.85. That's the X bar. They want the standard deviation, S sub X, which is 10.440258. And what else do they want? Oh, the median. Where's the median? If I go down, it'll say med. There it is, median, 12.2. So there's all the data we need. Let me go back and write out for you what I just did so it's more clear.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So I have a TI-83. Mine doesn't show like that.
Yeah, I think yours is probably like mine too. Yeah, let me write out what mine does because I bet it'll be the same as yours. So put the data down L1. Let me write out more specifically. So you have to hit stat, and then when you hit stat, you're already on the edit menu. Just hit enter, and then when you hit enter, you've got to go move to the top of L1, hit clear and enter to clear out L1, and then put the data down L1. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do my handheld calculator, which is the older kind. So it's probably like what you're asking about. And I'll see what mine says. And then you hit stat again, and then you move over. In fact, let me make this a different color so it's clear. I'm switching gears here. Then hit stat again, move over to calc, and hit, well, move over to calc, and you're already on one variable stats, which is where you want to be, one variable stats, and just hit enter. And then mine pops the words one variable stats on the main screen. It pops it on the screen, and I have to hit enter again. I hit enter again, and it just does it automatically. Maybe that's how yours is. It just pops these words. Now the newer kind show, I'll say or, so mine, these words just appeared for me. Maybe that's how the older kind are. The words just appear and you just hit enter. But the newer kind, like I showed on the screen, they showed, what did they show again? They showed, I think it was X list. Is that what they said? X list and frequency list or something. And we had to put in L1, and how you get L1, usually it's already there for you. If it's not already there, you have to hit second and one, and then leave this blank, and then hit calculate. And hit enter. Right? I think, isn't that what I had to do? Let me double check. Where was my? Let me do it again real quick. Stat, calc, enter. Yeah, it did. Oh, list and frequency list. That's what it said. It said list. List. So this is what the newer ones do. The newer TIs, and this is what the older TIs do. So depending on whether you have a newer one or an older one, it's not just 83, 84. I've got an 84, but I have an older 84. So anyway, so there we go. And then you should be able to get the answer. So again, the mean is the X bar, whatever the X bar is. For me, it was 12.85. The median, it says median, and mine was 12.2. Standard deviation is the S sub X, and mine came out 10.440258. They said round it, how far would they say? 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, right there. So that's 10.4403. And so there we go.